Welcome to your French class. In this class, we'll do few sentences of le participe présent et le gérondif. First, we will understand where we use le participe présent and where we use le gérondif. So, let's start with participe présent. We use it for the cause, reason, a previous action and a result. Okay, and then comes gérondif. Gérondif basically is used for the same subject when the same subject is doing two simultaneous actions. Okay, participe is sometimes also used as adjectives. Okay, so let's see the formation first. Here we have got some verb manger, parler, finir. Okay, first we will take the nous conjugation of the given present verb. Like we have manger verb here. Nous mangeons is the present conjugation. Nous parlons is the present conjugation of parler verb. Nous finissons is the present conjugation of finir verb. What we are going to do is now we will drop ons, okay, from the conjugated form and we will add a and t. Okay, now it is mangeons, parlons, finissons. Okay, here we have few exceptions as well. Like we have three exceptions: avoir, être and savoir. Okay, so they will be written like ayons, étant and sachant. Now, although the formation remains the same, but there is a little difference between participe and gérondif. Participe verbs will be written like parlant without any preposition and gérondif will be written with on. Okay, en parlant. Okay, let's make it more clear with some sentences. Complétez avec le participe présent ou le gérondif du verbe. Now the first sentence is cette fille, the verb is lire. Le roman est ma cousine. Let's form the sentence first. Now after changing the sentence it is like cette fille lisant le roman est ma cousine. Now this girl reading the novel is my cousin. In this sentence we have a little description of the girl. Okay, cette fille lisant le roman, the girl reading the novel is my cousin. Okay, so it's a sentence of participe. Now let's come to the second sentence. Je fais mes devoirs. Now the verb is écouter des chansons de Carla Bruni. Now let's write it first. Je fais mes devoirs en écoutant des chansons de Carla Bruni. Now it is a sentence of gérondif case. I do my homework while listening to songs of Carla Bruni. Now both the actions are done by the subject je. Okay, I do both the actions simultaneously. I do my homework and I listen to the songs. Okay, so I told you whenever the same subject is given and two simultaneous actions are done by the same subject, then we use gérondif. Now the third statement is la dame, the verb is porter, la belle robe noire est une actrice. Now it's a sentence of participe présent because this time again we have description. Okay, the verb will be used as an adjective here. La dame portait la belle robe. Porter verb will be changed in participe présent for the description of the lady. La dame portant la belle robe noire est une actrice. The lady wearing the beautiful black dress is an actress. Now again we have given description using portant. Now come to the next statement. Nous avons un ami, the verb is savoir, le créole. Nous avons un ami sachant. Now here we have again description for the friend, un ami sachant, who is having knowledge about le créole. Créole is the language. Okay, so again it's a sentence of participe. Nous avons un ami sachant le créole. Now the next one is le garçon est tombé, the verb is courir sur le terrain de sport. Le garçon est tombé en courant sur le terrain de sport. Now it's a sentence of gérondif because both the actions are done by the boy, le garçon. Action of falling down and action of running. So the boy fell while running on the sports ground. Now the next statement is apprendre is the verb, la vérité, mes amis étaient surpris. Now again both the actions are done here by mes amis. Okay, they got surprised and they came to know the truth. En apprenant la vérité, mes amis étaient surpris. That means by learning the truth, my friends were surprised. We have used here gérondif because again both the actions are done by the same subject. The next sentence is regarde les enfants. The verb is jouer au football. Now here we have description of the children. So we'll use participe. Regarde les enfants jouant au football. Now watch the kids playing football. Again we have a description here. Using jouant we have given description of the children. The next statement is il a complété ses devoirs. The verb is se servir d'un dictionnaire. Now again it is a sentence of gérondif because both the actions of completing work and using a dictionary are done by il. Il a complété ses devoirs en se servant d'un dictionnaire. That means he completed his homework using a dictionary. Now he did both the actions simultaneously, so we'll use gérondif again. Now come to the next statement. Elle a claqué la porte. The verb is sortir. Again it's a sentence of gérondif because both the actions of slamming the door and going out are done by elle. Elle a claqué la porte en sortant. That means she slammed the door while going out. Now the next statement is nous avons vu un accident. The verb is rentrer de la campagne. Nous avons vu un accident en rentrant de la campagne. Now we saw an accident while returning from the countryside. Again, both the actions are done by the same subject, nous. So we'll use gérondif again. Now the next statement is Sylvie. The verb is être. Malade n'est pas allé au lycée aujourd'hui. Now we will use participe présent here because Sylvie being ill. Okay, Sylvie était malade, n'est pas allée au lycée aujourd'hui. Now we are giving description of the state of Sylvie. Sylvie being sick did not go to school today. Now the next statement is Madame Legrand. The verb is avoir. Trop de travail à la maison ne sont guère. Madame Legrand ayant trop de travail à la maison ne sort guère. Madame Legrand having too much work at home hardly ever goes out. Now here we have got a reason, so we'll use participe présent because she cannot go out. Hardly she goes out because she has a lot of work at home. Okay. Now the next statement is il a sauvé le petit chat grimpé sur l'arbre. Now we will use gérondif because both the actions are done by the subject il. Il a sauvé le petit chat en grimpant sur l'arbre. That means he saved the little cat climbing on the tree. Now both the action of climbing and saving the cat is done by the same subject. Now the next statement is voir is the verb. L'incendie. Nous avons téléphoné aux pompiers tout de suite. En voyant l'incendie, nous avons téléphoné aux pompiers tout de suite. Seeing the fire, we called the fire department right away. So it means both the actions are done by the same subject, nous. So we'll use gérondif. Now the next statement is il a rencontré ses amis. The verb is aller à l'école. Now we'll use gérondif because both the actions are again done by the same subject. Il a rencontré ses amis en allant à l'école. That means he met his friends while going to school. So we have used gérondif here because again both the actions are done by the same subject. Now the last statement is toutes les dames. The verb is bavarder. Au coin du restaurant apprennent le français. Now we are going to use participe présent here because we are giving description of the ladies here. Okay. Toutes les dames bavardant au coin du restaurant apprennent le français. That means all the ladies chatting at the corner of the restaurant are learning French. Now here we have given description of the ladies, chatting ladies. Okay, so we have used participe présent. This is how to frame sentences using le participe présent et le gérondif. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.